Welcome to the Peacademia course on the basics of semiconductors. Before diving into the course materials, here we are going to overview this course. So we'll know how this course is structured and what topics are covered by this course. Let's start. This course is categorized into 3 modules. Module 1 mainly focuses on the basic atomic properties of materials, more specifically semiconductors, and provides an introduction to power electronics. In Module 1, you can expect to see an introduction to power electronics, energy level, energy diagram, energy band, crystal structure, electrical properties of materials, direct and indirect semiconductors, intrinsic semiconductors, extrinsic semiconductors, Fermi level and Fermi function, and minority charge carriers. Module 2 mainly focuses on the rectifying diodes. In Module 2, you can expect the following topics to be covered: diffusion and drift processes in p-n junctions, built-in voltage of p-n junctions, forward voltage of p-n junctions, reverse biasing of p-n junctions, current density and band diagram for p-n junctions, avalanche and Zener breakdowns in p-n junctions, junction capacitance in p-n junction, reverse recovery, PIN diodes, and Schottky junction. Module 3 goes over the most important semiconductor devices used in power electronics. Module 3 covers LED, photodetector, solar panel, bipolar junction transistor or BJT, thyristor, triac, GTO, MOSFET, IGBT, and JFET. I hope you all enjoy this Basics of the Semiconductors course provided by the Power Electronics Academia.